Surprise. 20 years ago, a young man walked into my clinic. He was very sweet, and I thought totally lost. I was wrong. He always knew what he wanted. And he found it.
Code Blue, I need a card.